Assalamu alaikum, and today's learning outcome for the story is reading it, using new words and comprehending it. Well, children, have you ever watched or read The Lion King? Yes? Even I. It's a beautiful story of animals, talking animals, birds flying high in the sky, and the waterfalls and the beautiful scenery. It's just amazing, isn't it? Now, have you ever read or heard about Harry Potter? Of course, who doesn't have heard about that? It's a book or it's a story of mystery and magic. Magic, all the way magic. Beautiful magicians and thunder, lightning, experiments. What not would we want from a book? And also many mysteries hidden behind, isn't it? Now let's also hear a magical story in our book. The book's name is Alice in Wonderland. Now let's hear a magical story of Alice. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. A talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" Thump! Now Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly. And suddenly she saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my whiskers and my ears, how late it's getting." Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock and to her delight it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Now she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. "Oh, how I wish I could become smaller," she exclaimed loudly. Now children, that was the story of Alice. If you want to know more about Alice, you have to read the book Alice in Wonderland. Let me tell you about the author. It's Lewis Carroll who has written Alice in Wonderland. His real name is Charles L. Dudges, and he was an English logician, novelist, mathematician, and photographer. The book Alice's Adventure in Wonderland was released in 1865. It gained steady popularity and result. Carroll wrote the sequences Through the Looking Glass and What Alice Found There in 1875. By the time of his death, Alice had become the most popular children's book in England, and by 1932 it became one of the most popular books in the whole world. So children, do not forget this person Lewis Carroll, because it's many asked in many of the GK questions, who is the author of Alice in Wonderland. And do also read more books of Alice in Wonderland. Now let's go on to meet the word meanings. The first meaning is scamper, to move in a hurry. Now the deer scampered away when heard the roar of a tiger. The second meaning is hurried, to rush. The sentence, I ate a hurried breakfast. Next one, popped, meaning to go somewhere without any notice. Sentence, my teacher popped in the class. Next word, disappeared, meaning vanish. The tension had completely disappeared. Next word, whiskers, meaning long hair on the face of animals. Sentence, the whiskers of cats are very attractive. Now children, I'll end this story with a quote of Lewis Carroll. One of the secrets of life is that all that is really worth the doing is what we do for others. So children, always try to do things for others and be happy. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.